this is what my left hand is currently looking like. I think it's time for a little fill. You can see they are growing out a bit. So we're gonna do that. I've just come to the terms that I'd rather have like different designs on both hands, because I did this hand a little after because a few of them popped off. So like maybe the pinky could use a fill, but I'm gonna wait until the rest of them grow out just a little bit more, and then I will do this hand. But today we're going to redesign this hand. I think I'm gonna be using this color. It's from Nail Supply Glamour. This is the Glow With Me number 18 from their pinks collection. It's a really pretty pink. I have it swatched right here. Super pretty. But I think I'm going to use their natural pink cover, which is this one right here, before I lay down the pink, because I do have like a creamy pink color under this gel polish. So let's get into this set. So I'm going to start off with my nail drill. I believe this is from either BTA or BT Art Box or Ejubious. I'll leave it linked down below. I got it off of Amazon for like 40 bucks, I think, or 60. It is wireless and rechargeable, so I have 3 bars right now, and it goes up to I think 30 or 35 RPMs. So we're just gonna file the gel polish off right now. So this is what they look like after I have removed all the gel polish. Here I'm just going in with the cuticle ball bit and cleaning up the cuticle, or you know, like the new growth, so that my nails don't lift after I do the fill. I do want to mention throughout the video I have cut out like a decent amount of the video because once again I was out of frame, but I'm going to be purchasing a monitor so that I can see what I'm doing, because it's kind of hard to see what you're doing when the camera is like above you, and I don't want to keep getting up, especially since I'm like 6-7 months pregnant. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up the cuticle area, and then this is what it looks like when I'm done cleaning up the cuticle with the cuticle ball bit. I got it from Amazon, and it came in a pack of 3 cuticle bits. Then I'm just taking a lint-free wipe with some alcohol to clean up around the cuticle area and to clean up the dust. So that is what I'm doing there. So next I'm taking my Mia Secret nail dehydrator and then my Nail Supply Glamour primer. I just purchased this and so far I like it. And then I'm using my Mia Secret monomer along with some iGel Beauty acrylics, some Nail Supply Glamour acrylics, and then the powder all the way to the left is my Nail Supply my Nail Supply Glamour Crystal Clear is just an Amy's Secret 2-ounce container. So this is what the acrylic application looks like. I basically did my thumb with the nude from the cover nude from Nail Supply Glamour. My pointer finger was a ombre between the pink and nude. The middle is just all pink. Then the ring finger was an ombre with the glitter from Igel Beauty. And then the pinky is all pink as well. I will be adding bling towards the end. But right now I'm just filing the side walls and the free edge to make everything look nice and sharp. And then I will be going over it, like over the entire nail with a drill bit. Now that drill bit that I used to remove the gel polish is the same bit I'm going to use after I file. I also got that from Amazon. The brand is from Pana or Pana. It is going to be in a haul. I will try to leave it linked in this video on the top right corner or the top left corner. It's a really good bit. It is so smooth. It leaves the nail smooth and it makes filing anything and everything away super easy. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comment section and drop a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I'll also have you guys join the Rose family, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video without my voice.